Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to label your documents in Kilonotes very easily. Just open the app and now you can see that I have two types of labels so far, this purple and this green. And now I would like to label this folder, so I clicked on the three dots and then choose a color, example red. It's very important that you can put more labels as well. So for example, if this folder contains two different topics, then you can use two types of label. That's basically it, and thanks for watching.